Howdy everyone, and welcome to the Spring 2025 semester of Chem 106. My name is Dr. Mark Young. I'll be your professor for this semester. I think we're going to have a good time, learn a lot about chemistry, and we'll all get our passing grades that we're after. All right, so just as a welcome message, I'm going to walk you through a little bit of the Canvas page so you can find some stuff, maybe get some stuff set up early, and then you'll be set for the beginning of classes next week. All right, so if we look at that. This is what you should see when you open up the Canvas page, or what should have already opened it. The main tabs here, if you go to syllabus, you can find a digital copy of the syllabus right here linked. You can find my contact info, office hours, and then if you scroll down, you'll get the lecture schedule and the lab schedule, so you know what chapter we're on or what lab we're doing. We do not go in strict order of the lab manual. So it's always good to check ahead of time which lab are we doing to make sure you have the right pre-lab, make sure you're prepared. I set up my Canvas page to have pretty much everything you need under modules. So if we look there, that's the course orientation, that's the stuff that's already on the home page. But here's where you'll have your lab reports that will be turned in. So where do I turn them in? Right here. Everything's labeled in the order we do them. The first lab assignment is a graphing tutorial. Technically, once you have your lab manual from the bookstore, you can go ahead and do that. It's not due until the second week of classes, so you don't have to, but it's there. If you scroll down, I've got the exam reviews, so if you want to look ahead and say, okay, what's going to be on this test, what will it look like? Reviews are already there. And then I've made video tutorials for all the chapters, so that as you go through, they're designed to be like example practice problems, some of the more common types or some of the tricky ones where you got to watch out for something. So each video is usually 2 or 3 problems where I walk through stuff that's going to be very similar to stuff you'll see on the homeworks or on exams. So those are very nice to look at to know what you're doing. As far as getting your materials for the course, everything you need is in the bookstore. You need the e-text of the textbook. That's what they're selling mostly. The publisher does not sell hardbound textbooks anymore. There are rental versions, but you've got to pay money and then give them back. So I prefer to say get the e-text with the Mastering Chemistry access. That will be all you need for the course. There are some things you can get with that down the line, optional, but go to the bookstore, get the e-text with Mastering Chemistry for Chem 106, and get the Chem 106 lab manual. If you have that, you're going to be set for the first week of classes. If you have any questions about anything I've addressed in this video or didn't address in this video, please email me. Again, myoung@carrollcc.edu will be the best way to contact me. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Thank you.